Welcome to day 2 of the 30-day Aussie English Challenge. Today you are going to learn 3 slang words in Aussie English. I want you to use them in a sentence. The first phrase is flat out, meaning very busy or working very hard. Here's an example sentence. I've been working flat out all week. I haven't had a minute to myself. Here's another Aussie word. Chockers, meaning completely full or crowded. The beach was chockers today because of the good weather. Here is another Aussie word. Keen, meaning eager, interested, or excited to do something. I'm keen for a swim this arvo. Here's another sentence. Are you keen to grab a coffee?